crazy to be able to build something in like 3 hours, right?
Some people perform very well under pressure. Other people completely melt down.
What I hope to see every time I go to a design event is really robust conversation, both about how design is done, but also about the meaning of design and how it affects the world around us.
It's all about taking that design to the next level and thinking about social responsibility and how design can just make the world better over time. That feels like it's design's big mission now, and it's really good to see.
Please lock in your votes.